And I know you put that on for me. I know you put that on for me. In a way, I can't stay away. And I know you put that on for me. I know you put that on for me. And you gon' take it off for me, off for me. Tell me you gon' make the thing pop for me. Pretty soon pop for me. In a way, I can't stay away. And I know you put that on for me. I know you put that on for me.
Girl, I'm in love with you, baby, and I want you to know that I'm hooked on your body, and I'm trying to be yours.
Y lo demás es parking. Magic.
Okay. The company. The company.
Up to my dress and see a candlelight. I can't think show me what got my money right. Don't take it off and show me what it's like. Let me see. I'm in the game, I shoot like Jordan with his 2, 2, 3. No matter if we disagree, don't mean up and leave. I bust it down, she rockin' chrome, bitch, she got on her knees. I told them I just want them gone before my city, they please. For me, for me, for me, for me, for me. He just left him stay with me tonight. I can't go without my dress cause I am not alright. I'ma let you take the wheel tonight. We know what we doing wrong, but girl, it feels so right. It feels so right. It feels so right. She say I'm in.
I can tell from the pictures it wasn't deep.
It feels so right. Told her mama stop what they ain't see it. How they gon' believe it? One war was on me, too strategic. I can't be defeated. I ran out of love, this game is leading. They just up and leaving. I put too much white into my family. Now I'm cooking dreaming. I'm in the game, I should have joined. But it's 2, 2, 3. No matter if we disagree, don't mean up and leave. I bust it down, she rockin' chrome.
Alright, y'all, we was in a bit of a rush, but we're currently about to go to our first excursion. We just got to the house and stuff, and we rushed, so that's why there's no get ready with me, but we all look so tea. We did a good job. To say we rushed.
Where is everything?
So yeah, everything from Shein, MCM flies, MCM purse. Really from Shein.
Okay,
Then my edges real cute. And I'll see y'all there.
y'all, the rush was insane.
Yeah,
It was bad.
I'm talking about getting ready in silence.
Okay, they have.
This is good to know. Oh yeah, yes. Yeah, that's really good to know actually.
Okay, y'all, we made it. Oh, that's not him. We thought this was our excursion. Did he say he was waiting?
What should be?
Okay, y'all. Our driver gave us this. We found him. It's a cocktail in a Capri Sun. We didn't see what that's about. Oh, we just poked it anywhere?
You gotta put it in the towel. It's really hard though. Really
I don't see insert here.
Why you didn't at the front?
Oh.
Okay, but it's hard.
I like how she did it though.
I'm about to say maybe do it on the side. It might be easier because it should be 2 minutes to pull mine. Shut up.
No, bitch, all the time.
No, bitch. You know you're not. Stop that. I'm trying to be like everybody else. It's all and then make it.
I got it. It spilled on me. You could taste the elk too.
Y'all like it?
Yeah. Okay, I'll be back with y'all.
That's something I ain't never.
Wait, that's 4 of them? Lord.
We all done?
I wanted to take a picture of my shit.
Oh, we actually should have did that.
Oh, wait, look. Put it
Oh, we get a flat too. It don't matter. Hold on, y'all.
Yeah, you want to call me Israel or Ethiopia?
All right.
That's fire. That's fire.
This was a tour. They got
You said the Indians not hitting them, but what about the Africans?
The Africans, they literally stay alive because of our Kituapo. They literally one like killed the Indians because when he stopped was like the first.
Go ahead, Queens. Please don't fall.
You got it? You got it? See? Okay, you got it.
I got you, bro.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Meanwhile.
You got it.
Thank you.
Thank you. That's how they get you. That's how they get you. So this is the first bar. Fast. Wanna be in it?
What's up?
Hey queens, queens and kings and things. They said y'all tired of me, is that true? Comment down below if y'all tired of me. Like this video if you tired of me. Anywho, right now we at this bar, we waiting on our shot. But he said next stop we go to, we gonna get a shot and they got food. Okay, he passing out shots and stuff. Thank you. I like your nails.
Gracias, thank you.
Y'all ready? Alright.
Wait, do it like Puerto Rico, like arriba.
Arriba.
Abajo. Al centro. Pa' adentro. That's good.
I should have got tequila.
Shit tastes like Malibu.
Yes, that's what I said. I should have got tequila. Okay, y'all. I didn't really talk to y'all for real, but I'm gonna give y'all back to y'all owner.
She just called y'all dogs. So much y'all want them. Okay, y'all, that wasn't bad. But I know I'm a feeling.
Yeah, I don't never talk to
I
y'all.
know, right? They just don't get one-on-one time.
Right, I don't never.
This is Naya Cam.
We're in Puerto Rico right now. Just took a shot. We're here for Trinity's birthday trip. There's Trinity right there. But yes, guys.
Alright, y'all. I think we're about to go take pictures and then we'll be back.
This is what we take a picture at, y'all.
Oh, look at her.
Really?
I had to
I can't ask when we go to the second stop.
Guys, beautiful. It just makes me appreciate, life. That's what I said when I was in Punta Cana. I said, bro, y'all gotta travel. Real. This shit beautiful. This is my face. And this stop we have food, so we're gonna try to eat because we're drinking, of course. And we didn't eat since the second airport. He said maybe it's included.
Eso es cabulla, ¿verdad? Es la primera que hicimos ahí. A ver.
Okay, y'all, I have this.
Wait, y'all, what's these?
It's supposed to be a plantain. Never had one. I'm scared. You ate this?
Why you gonna break it down?
It's good?
You like that? I don't really cut it.
It don't taste like nothing.
Hay capurias, plantain and corn, but this one is yuca. The inside is yuca. Yeah, but it costs like capuria. Yeah.
I'm hot, y'all. I'm sweaty. I don't got nothing bad to say about it. I'm gonna keep eating the fries, though. Third stop is...
We've only been here for what? How many hours? 4?
Third stop. This is a great first day. This is a
I
great
just
first
said
day.
we having fun and we only been here for 3 hours.
We were here for 3 hours?
It's only 4:50. We got here at 1 something.
Wow.
We got here like 1:30.
1:30 we got here.
This is our third bar. Yeah, we got our third bar, y'all, and we're about to get some. We all got passion fruit drinks. Okay, y'all, this is our third
Fourth drink or something like that.
Girls, here we go, free shot. Tequila. Here you go.
We love tequila.
You love tequila? But here in Puerto Rico, we drink more rum. Literally, I don't know why.
Love tequila though.
Yeah.
You gotta teach us
Okay.
How it
thing
goes again.
I'm gonna do it. Okay, but let me serve
I'm getting
everybody.
rained on.
Espérate.
Okay, put it down. He gotta serve everybody.
Sí.
We 1 second. This drink is not bad. I'm not mad at it. This is nice. This gonna put me over. Over or under? Over. Over.
I ain't gonna need nothing at the club.
Over. That's all
I don't need nothing at the club.
And y'all, unfortunately, we did come out here when it's not much sun, but it's not
bad.
horrible.
Hopefully tomorrow is a better day.
Yeah. Tomorrow we on a boat.
What Donald said, that's that one.
Chase.
It's my chaser. Yes. I'll get back. I think this was a good first day. We'll see if I come back. If I come back, cool. If not,
Let's see how they go.
whatever. So she made me touch toes. 9 more. Take it to the bar. Take me to take me to the 9. Take me to the 7 bar. Take me to the bottom. Right across that water. I swim in ocean just to get to you. Wait, Stacy. Is it Becky? Where the fuck the function?
Need to be all alone.
Y'all.
Girl, take a fast man. 6 times you believe in me. We got members, rest, so he had a lot on the day.
Oh my god. Yo, we about to get a few groceries.
I don't know. Yeah.
This Walmart is 2 stories. What the hell? Oh, wait, hold up. This got some jerk back. This Walmart is updated.
Trinity said I'm about to get drunk and get in the pool tonight.
Tonight? I don't know.
No, we supposed to swim for real Sunday.
Okay, well, we just left Walmart. We got like drinks and stuff for breakfast and stuff. And now we're going inside. So yeah, it was a good first day. To say it was a first day, it was good. I don't know what's like gonna be the rest of the night. We're supposed to go out tonight, so I don't know. We'll see though. Hey y'all, I'm finally ready, and today we're going Poochie accessories Sheen, Kurt slides, and yeah, I think I did my hair real cute and my face. So today we're going on the yacht. It's gonna bring us to the beach and stuff. They have snorkeling and stuff, but I don't think any of us are doing that. I'm not sure, but yeah, but I was the last one to get ready. I'm finished getting ready. So yeah, it's just gonna be all up here. The last thing I really have to do is put stuff on my tattoo, but I'm not gonna do that until we're really about to leave, because it does like the tattoo like soaks it up. So I'm gonna wait to do that until we're about to leave. But yeah, I smell good, I look good, I feel good. I'm probably about to try to get some mirror pictures on my phone, and then that's gonna be it.
Alright, no more for now. And that's what the workplace said.
This the other one. This might be it right here.
Okay, y'all, we in this jewelry store where you can like make your own charm bracelet and stuff. Personally, I'm not gonna do one, but they back here picking stuff out. So
She said pick your chain and put it in your basket.
it's cute in here, guys.
Hello, Charlie. Good morning.
On our way to the boat, y'all.
You got air in here, Charlie?
AC, higher.
Yeah, hot. Charlie, you coming on the boat with us?
No, I'm not. He said, no, he's not.
No, because I got the morning that I left. I got to put. You can take a nap. Let me know if the AC temperature is okay. You ready to go?
Yes, sir.
Okay, y'all, we made it to the place where the boats and stuff are. But we didn't get our boat yet. They said we were chilling for now. And then, oh, wait, so we don't get on till 3?
That's what time it starts, but I don't know if it. Oh look, that might be the boat right there. Our excursion doesn't start until 3, but I mean we're here now, so I would assume.
Yeah, if they can't pick us up, I don't know. Yeah, that's how I look. We're cute. I think we're they have these swings, still tea. In the clip, make it look like I'm having so much fun. Stupid.
Ever since I caught you all that eyes, you got no chill, no more. Never try to waste your time, and never try to waste mine. Do the million times wrong.
Oh, can I put? It would be your turn.
Thinking of we went to church together. I always keep you going.
How about we shoot that camera?
Cheers.
Get the watch. Get the watch.
Cheers. 1, 2.
Happy Trinity on 3.
Happy birthday, Trent.
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday.
Yeah, we're on our way to dinner.
15-minute grace.
I'm not gonna call him.
We don't know how strict they are. We're on our way to STK steak, whatever. And we kind of leave.
Look at Ben ready. Nigga, Ben ready.
This is my good.
Nigga had a whole 15-minute grace period inside. Stupid ass.
Okay.
Crack baby.
So guess who raised me?
He just trying to get you riled up. So now he won. Now he won. It's not that.
Why are you mad?
I don't know.
See, they doing all this yelling. I'm gonna drink because they're stressing me out, guys. Ken just over here looking cute and stuff. They got me stressing like I got kids. Come on, Ken, you took your shot already? Hey, what? What's going on with y'all?
Trinity.
I took it. I swear to God. They have a sibling talk, y'all.
You ain't like that.
I say hello. Good morning, y'all. Next day, we're about to go ride ATVs. I'm eating my leftovers. Okay. This is my outfit from IMGL. I might put this on Poshmark when I get back because Poshmark, Depop when I get back. Cause I love it. It's cute, but I don't think I'll wear it anywhere else. It's so cold in this room, but y'all, we are about to go Uber like a few minutes away, but I'm gonna leave my camera here because I think it might be a hard time recording with this camera, or they might say something like that because I am driving like a vehicle or whatever. So I don't even want to get told nothing, and if they tell me something, I don't have nowhere to put this camera. Like, I'm not even bringing a purse, nothing. So to be sure, I'm just gonna try to get clips on my phone. I'm gonna try. But if not, don't beat me up. Like, it's okay. Y'all are seeing a lot of stuff. It's okay if y'all miss out on a little one too, but hopefully y'all won't have to. But yeah, this is the look. I'll see y'all out there, hopefully.
Guys, in front of me, you got mi casa. It was the first structural building ever made here in the 1800s. That's where the boss of the hacienda lived and managed the hacienda from. The cool thing about the house is they have a contract with Hulu, Netflix, and Disney Plus. So it's been in many movies and series like.
No, us with him, I think we hit good. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Oh, look at all the thingies, y'all. Yeah, this is fun, but this is a lot.
That wasn't my group.
Are we about to leave?
Nah.
Okay, we're on a little pause. Look at all this.
So they gotta bring him a new one?
Yeah, they gotta.
Even though he's at war, he keeps took it already.
Cheers.
And yeah, who pouring a ratio? I said the same thing. Who fucking go?
I ain't gonna lie, that white hitting though.
I ain't gonna lie about the big bottle. That bill like $65.
Hi, Christina.
Yeah, we're about to go to Mixology class, and then the beach. Oh shit.
We can go to a real liquor store or something.
Leave it alone. I got room for one more. Like, I love you, J. My name is Anika. You call me Nick.
September, October, so people birthday September lane.
They look right at me.
They gotta stay indoors and stuff.
No, the fuck we don't. It still be hot. Exactly. You know we live in New Orleans.
Thank you.
Okay, y'all, we made it to the mixology class. I guess this outside. I didn't know that. Ooh. But let's see what's going on.
Started with the first things of everything, of course, the history behind it. Now, where does Bacardi begin? Does anyone know? Cuba, exactly. Santiago de Cuba, specifically, my friends, on February 4th, 1862. The entire world, that by the way also became later the first white rum or clear rum in the world that you know today, of course, as Superior or Carta Blanca.
Hello everybody, welcome to the Visitor Center. And we'll continue today's experience right here, of course, out of the sun, where we're gonna get some fresh air, but air conditioner, okay? So, of course, dancing, of course. Now, here we have displayed a barril de bomba. Welcome everybody. Okay, do we have everyone in the room? Do we have everyone in the room? You have your partner neighbor in your side. Make sure you do have them give them some love. Remind them why they're here. No chipped, no broken rock glasses, okay? We need to make sure. Okay, I don't see any. Perfect. On the left, we're supposed to have a bar spoon. Does everyone have their bar spoon? Yes. Okay. Does anyone know what is the difference between a bar spoon and a normal spoon? It's long.
yes. What else? Which is half an ounce, okay? So, okay, my friends, in the rock glass, okay? The one to the side for right now, as well as if you want to move the whole shaker, you can as well. We're gonna do a full ounce all the way to the top of the lime juice into your Perfect, my friends. This is a moment. Some simple syrup. How much? Of course.
Let's get a bartender job.
Do we have it? 1 full ounce of lime juice and the beans, my friends. Depending on how much you have, 3 to 4 leaves, you take them with the beans, my friends, and you put them directly into your mojito. Okay? We are not going to crush right now or tap on our hand, okay? We're not gonna do that. We're gonna get the leaf and we're gonna drop it only into your rock glass. Bottle you are supposed to have 1.5 ounces, which is the full amount that you need for your mojito. Although we do promote mindful drinking, so if you want to go for less, you can do a first ever white or clear rum, as well as a first ever light body rum. So you see how it moves just like water, like flavors and no color. This was the very first time this was happening, okay? So quickly press our mint, okay? Press our mint. We only want the essential oils of the outside, okay? So go ahead and press this lightly. Press it lightly. It smells so good. Exactly. That's a full scoop and a half, okay? The less ice you add, the more it will dilute, okay? You want to keep it cold and you want to keep it okay, 1 step. So, perfect. And as you add that splash, let's get our spoon. Let's get our bar spoon. Cheers, ladies. My friends, we're gonna then swizzle this. So, we're gonna fully incorporate this. The trick is to have a cloudy mojito, okay? You want your mojito to be very, very cloudy. Do not want to see no clear, okay? Make sure you, if you don't have, I also have a few left. Another mint. And okay, we're gonna get that. Remember, if anyone is in need, I do have time over here or in the empty stations, you can rate them. Yeah, put it in. Okay, my friends, if it's perfect, take those pictures. This is the moment. Take those pictures of your mojito, okay? Because as you get your mojito, we're gonna go ahead with our second afternoon. Perfect. Everyone took their pictures. I want to see those mojitos in the air. Remember, in our left hand, since it is the closest to the heart, we're always, my friends, going to be toasting for let's go ahead, my friends. Of flavored mojito, you miss never.
Wow, that is good.
Okay, guys, we got our pictures, we got our taste of our mojito. Let's rate it. From 1 to 10, do you give your mojito? 1 to 10? 10? 9? 20?
Down the catch up.
One. Are we ready for our next one? Ready? How are we doing? We're doing good. Remember, water in the bag. Get some water, my friends. Stay hydrated. And so, we have already on the shake and cocktail that we're making today. Yes? Okay, my friends. Wait. This is very important. The more you shake, the more you dilute. Okay? So, sequence of shaking. A la 1, a la 2, a la 3. Shake, 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 shake. Oh, it is cold. Let's get the pita off. Remember to hold it on tightly to the strainer. And then go ahead and pour in your cocktail. Ooh, there we go, there we go, there we go. The more you friends, but do not worry up yourself. Go ahead and get that dehydrated pineapple, garnish it, and of course, take those pictures, taste those pictures. Okay, guys, you got those pictures? Then my friends, let's raise our glass. Who here? I already know my bride in the back. Bride. We already know about the bride, but do we have any other special occasions here? Anyone here with their significant other, anniversary? Let's see, who's here for the first time in Puerto Rico? With our left hand in the air, we say, cheers, 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 my Okay, guys. Final verdict. What do we think? If you have preferred to date a mojito, raise your hand. Team Mojito. Okay, spending his time with me. And through this door over here in the back to the left side. The left side of the room, we have the store. Only welcome, my friends. Make your way to the store.
That wasn't even too long. That was perfect. We going to the bar. Yeah, to the bar, and we got another drink. Come over or something. On 3, everybody say Casa Bacardi. 1, 2, 3, Casa Bacardi.
Okay, all right, let's go. Donald, like, get the watch. Get the watch.
That was really nice and fun. I give that whole thing a 10. But yeah, now we're about to go to the bar because we got a token to get a free drink. Yeah, period. That was good. Both of those drinks were actually good. I was scared. I thought they might be nasty. They were good. Yeah. And then when we leave here, we're going to the beach. Period. Free drink, y'all. Strawberry daiquiri. And it look cute. My apple pen red.
Excuse me, for one of the mojitos, can I get a purple flower in there?
Oh my goodness. Specifics about purple. Yo, I don't know. I'm not a dog girly, but yeah. I'm ready for the beach.
I was a baker.
A baker? And now you're bartending.
I'm a bartender.
Look at the switch.
I got tired of the heat.
Oh, look where you at right now.
It's a little air.
It's different heat.
Yeah.
In Florida, Florida is hot.
No, but being next to an oven for today is crazy.
Yeah. You get a tan you didn't ask for.
Oh yeah. You said two on the same time?
Yes, sir.
It is Yamil.
Yamil, you're gonna YouTube, so make it, go crazy, go crazy, go crazy.
Okay, sure.
Do your crazy thing. Okay. Hey.
There you go. A little bit of split splash right there.
Yeah. Well, if y'all ever come to Casa Bacardi sometime, you get up though. Careful,
I don't know how the hell look. I don't really care.
It's cute. Do it. Right there. Put your hands out or something.
look at you do better.
Yes, that's cute.
Am I titty out?
I don't think so.
All right.
It is.
You don't got no more storage.
Look, I got your.
All right. Go. Switch it out. Switch it out.
Oh,
That's when you can drop my
oh my God, are we drunk?
I think I'm on the phone. Wait, my dress.
Yes, we can. Go. Oh my God. All right, come on. I got you.
Oh, hers is cute. How you know how? I even know how yours look.
Wait, what? Look at the way her sign is.
September.
Why do that?
We gotta.
But that's okay though. Like that's the problem.
I'm going to Jamaica, Montego Bay. Wait, I'm birthday. You birthday share.
It is.
Use your inside voice.
Montego Bay.
Wait. So we come.
I ain't even gonna lie, I lost. Fuck you.
She be all in my head, bitch.
I already know, piss ass. Look. I'm
Bag jumping out by No, because I know whoever win, they still ain't gonna send the $10. You know what I'm saying? Cheap.
Hopefully my camera don't die, but this is the view. We going to the beach.
Right. I want $5. I don't care. I want a quiet game. I want $5. $5. You did not win. We're at the beach. I guess this is the beach. I really don't know. But we just walking. Looking cute. I need some more lip gloss. I see people in the water down there, so I guess I'm gonna let y'all know when we down there. We had a lot of drinks, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. We had a lot. But it's okay. We have men with us, and we're good. Period. That's Trinity up there. That's the boys. Period. Come on. All right, y'all. We just changed. We better suits. We ready? We ready, spaghetti? I look as a mess, but I don't care, y'all. Y'all know me.
Nobody's like laying down. We finna go swim, nigga.
I mean, I ain't even gonna lie. We got this thing. So
And then I don't wanna get sand on the towels and we have to try.
Man, come on, let's go dip in the water. I'm tired of all this talking. All this talking. We did a 40-minute Uber. I'm ready.
Bro, I don't think we gotta stay right here, bro. These people seem honest.
Come on.
The cover-ups off. We ready.
Hey, we ready. You see yourself? You gotta turn it like that.
Nah, I don't want to do that. I don't want to
You gotta.
You got it?
Oh, to see, yeah.
No, to see yourself.
No, nigga, I want to record y'all.
Oh, you want to record your? Okay, let's go.
Oh, like, that's out.
So is it recording already?
Yeah, it's recording right now. Look. You see the red? It's recording.
I bet.
All right, to stop it, you press that button. Okay.
I'm leaving
So
my
I don't
fries
just
right
close it?
You
So
no,
I
you
press
don't.
the red
Just,
button
Come on, they
to stop
gone. To stop, you press the red.
yeah.
it? Y'all, listen. Ain't no bad bitches. They got a lot of bad bitches out in Puerto Rico. But none of the bad bitches speak English. I need to learn Spanish. Hopefully she includes this in her vlog and watch it. Look, I don't know how to zoom that bitch in for real. I'm a little drunk. Look at them stupid asses in that dirt ass water. Look at them probably pissing that water 5 times over. They don't even know. Alright, I'm about to hang up this bitch real quick. So the fucking child. But look, check out the watch. Check out the watch. Check out the watch. That bitch is real. Fuck with me. I really paid my fine. You know what I'm saying? Pay your fine. Broke ass nigga. Yeah, look at that. I don't know how to zoom that bitch in for real though. How I do that? Let me figure it out. I don't want to break none of that shit though. Oh, I fire, it's fire. This small ass zoom in. I'm joke. Look at this small. Alright. I'm gonna fuck with y'all later though.
Excuse me, can I get something over there that I hiding?
Okay. What? Alright, chill. I thought you was on doing it though.
Nah, it was my phone. I ain't had it.
Alright, yo, we about to get back here. Beach day over.
My phone is tripping. It zoomed in again. I couldn't do it. If that was, I would have did it. I always do
I don't
it.
know who sent me no. What? Get in?
Can we get in the back?
You gotta think about it when that's down.
Right. It's alright. Oh, put it down now so we gonna look strange.
Their airport literally has a Pandora in the middle of the thing, and I'm about to get my charm. I thought I was gonna have to leave without getting my charm back. Nobody looks like they're at work. I got it, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all, but this is the end of the vlog, so I'll see y'all